welcome to Solid Pain. And who is this coming out? This is somebody we haven't seen. Oh, that is The Blizzard, a newfound member of the Outbreak. I can assume he's just as worse as they are. And here's the man, the one who said he's gonna be here at Solid Pain, the hardcore legend. Introducing the EJW World Champion, the hardcore legend, Wyatt.
Ding ding. We gotta use this as a guitar. Put this on the line, everybody. Gonna say, welcome, the hardcore legend. It's on time for you. I'm gonna raise my title above. I'm gonna say, here's a winner. And still the EJW World Heavyweight Champion.
Sorry for the late commentary, but now this match is looking to start up here. The Blizzard, oh, what a knee. What a knee to the waist, and now, oh, trying to grab his leg for a submission, but Wyatt gonna kick out of that, which I guess he's trying to pin him. And, oh, some punches back and forth. Wyatt, first time wrestling here on HWE, tries to go for some kick, gets hit with a 2. And now, this Blizzard guy, I don't know who he is, but, I mean, he's trying to put Wyatt down, and it's not working out too well with a Superman punch. A very stiff Superman punch. And, oh, what an asshole move with a low blow to Wyatt. And, oh, now just the Blizzard trying to just end this match early. I don't know who the hell this guy thinks he is, but he's got to realize Wyatt is somebody, you know, who doesn't stop for nothing in a suplex. And oh, wait a minute, we might be going to Suplex City, ladies and gentlemen. And another suplex, oh my God. And wait a minute, the Blizzard back up, fighting back, not just gonna handle that lightly. I'll give it to him, he is pretty tough. And oh my. Kick right to that face, and now, oh, what another Superman punch. Wyatt almost fell on that one, but he is doing good so far. Keep up the good momentum. Uh-oh, these men kind of stumbling. Oh, punches. And now it looks like Wyatt trying to get him set up for a DDT. DDT by the hardcore legend Wyatt. Now the crazy thing is, he's helping Damien in a way. They're teaming almost. Oh, punch to the face, so I think he kicked him. But anyways, the hardcore legend Wyatt actually agreeing to work with the HWE owner and former world champion Damien Skull is crazy, because these guys were not so much friends in EJW. And now, oh, a knee to the area. Now dragging him over, trying to weaken the legs so he cannot kick out. Oh, trying to go for a low blow and just throws Wyatt down. Now the Blizzard trying to go for a cover, but it looks like Wyatt's gonna kick out. The Blizzard, I don't know who the hell came up with his name, but now kicking Wyatt. And I will admit, anybody who joins the Outbreak, I am honestly not gonna like, just because of Hardcore Wolf. But I think I could potentially see this guy maybe changing if he ever leaves that group. But now, oh, a kick, but it misses. Now, Wyatt trying to do another kick, but this guy keeps avoiding his stuff. And oh, a smack and another smack to the face. Wyatt saying, you're not going to show me disrespect. And now another kick. And oh my goodness, Wyatt is getting in that zone where he knows, oh wait a minute, the Blizzard throwing him. And oh, a kick. But Wyatt with a punch. Very hard fought competition here. Got Wyatt down to his knees. And oh, kicking him in the ribs. And now the Blizzard. It looks like the Blizzard trying to grab him, but it doesn't work out so well. And now, catches the Blizzard's leg. Dragging him over. And a kick. Like I said, Wyatt is smart. He will target. He will target whatever he has to target to make sure he weakens his opponent to get the win. And, mainly a lot of kicks and stiff punches and Superman punches have been thrown. And now the Blizzard trying to attack at the lower section, throwing Wyatt out of the ring. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 2 matches here for you today / night, whenever you are watching this. The main event is, well, basically, it's 2 main events, considering we don't have many matches here. But, this one, the Blizzard versus Wyatt, and after this, we will be seeing Damien Skull versus Zayn. And now, looks like the Blizzard now trying to get some offense in, but Wyatt tried to get up and went back down, and now Wyatt trying to get up. It looks like he's a little bit hurt. And now the Blizzard just pounding on him, just throwing punches and kicks, trying to weaken this man. But it looks like Wyatt he's still fighting. He's not going to sit down for nobody. This man is probably and most likely a future world champion in this company. And, there's a lot that has been going on with the mystery opponent stuff, and that it's gotten this far where everyone else is fighting back too. He's got the EJW World Championship, and he hits the Blizzard. Ladies and gentlemen, drop predictions in the comments below on this premiere. Who do you think is walking out of this match as the winner? And do you believe that this man right here, with a Claymore, that this man, the Blizzard, could be a potential star in this company, or will he just be like the rest of them and fall? And some more punches, throwing shots back and forth at each other now. And a backhand that is, disrespectful in a way. Now, Wyatt trying to get the cover. Now he's got him switch, but and that is a technique that, mostly we see Wolf use being put in that type of submission. So it looks like he's learning a little bit from Hardcore Wolf. And now punches. Wyatt just going off, showing this man who the hell he really is. Now Wyatt, he's got him set. He's looking for it. Spear! Spear by Wyatt. That will be it, ladies and gentlemen. And what a match, ladies and gentlemen, for this